Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a dresser that we're going to redo in black. So, first step is we're going to remove the handles. We're going to sand the top down because it's got some deep spots. We're using chalk mineral paint, so we don't really have to sand the whole piece down, but we're going to make sure that we get the imperfections out. Then we're going to add some paint to it. So, follow along as we take this and turn it into a nice dresser again. Alright, so we've got the hardware off. Everything looks like it's structurally sound, so we don't have to fix anything. What we're going to do is we're going to sand this top down because it's got a lot of bad spots in it. Get it smooth so when we do paint it, it'll look nice and clean on the top. So that's what we'll do. We'll clean up any other spots that we have. With chalk paint, you don't have to sand, but like we said earlier, we're trying to get this smooth and get rid of all the imperfections in this top. So it'll be a quick sand, and then we'll be on to painting this. Alright, so it's all taken apart, sanded, vacuumed, and wiped down. We got all the dust off of it. Now it's time to paint. So what we're going to use is our Dixie Belle Paint Company's Cavair Black, nice deep black. So that's going to look really good on this set. We're also going to use Dixie Belle's big brush and their chip brush. As you can see, I've used these quite a bit and they still are holding up really nice. So let's start painting. We've got 2 layers of the black on. Now what we're going to use is our Dixie Belle clear coat flat, and just go over it with 1 coat, and then we can start putting the handles back on, get it under the tree, and get this piece up for sale soon. Alright, here it is, the 9-drawer dresser complete. It's the Cavair Black by Dixie Belle. We put the Dixie Belle flat clear coat on it, and we kept the vintage handles. Kind of a cool look, huh? Subscribe to our channel, like our videos. Also, go on Facebook, Instagram, see some of our other projects that we've done. We love comments, and we look forward to hearing from you guys.